It's too big. It's too small. Ooh. I wonder. Maybe they actually meant for you to use this hose. Looks like the right size. Let's try it. Oh shit! Mother. Oh shit! Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. Today we are going to attempt to drain the coolant, hopefully not make a big mess. One more. That should be enough to get our trash can under. Maybe one more. Okay, so we got a trash can lined with a bag. Gonna have to talk around town and see if anybody recycles or properly disposes of this shit. But for now, we're gonna contain it in an extra trash can. So first, I need to get the drain plug back on the transmission so it doesn't leak shit everywhere. We'll snug it, but we're not gonna torque it because, I mean, whoever ends up taking the plunge and buying it's gonna probably have to do some work on that rear seal and obviously fill it up with new fluid. So okay, and there's some, yeah, that doesn't look so good. I wonder, it probably could use a flush, which I know sounds like a bunch of magic that oil change places use to try and cheat you, but I mean, I don't know. So, okay, so I believe that the car has a freeze plug. Ooh, that was close. Whether or not the freeze plug is obvious is another story. So they're usually on the back of the engine. But since this is a weird engine, okay, there's a coolant hose down here, so I could probably just pull that hose off, and I mean, I'm sure it'll make a big nasty mess, but I'm not really aware of, is there one down under this? But is that captured by the bumper? Is it tied on? I know there's a, is that it? I know there's a drain around here somewhere, I just don't remember where it is. I might just have to do it. That looks like a coolant drain. What happens if I twist it? Am I gonna spew coolant everywhere? Oh, I need to connect a hose to it, don't I? Oh, is the coolant just gonna fly out the side? God, shit. You know, if I remember right, this car is not friendly for, oh wait, is that what this is for? It's gotta be what that's for. The question still remains, how is the coolant gonna come out? Is it come out that little spigot, or is it gonna come out the side? Could just throw this in the skid plate bag, really. That would make more sense. Okay. So the problem is I don't see any good way to get the coolant from here to there. That's really shitty. It's gonna go fucking everywhere, and I don't think I have any tubes or hoses big enough to direct it. Could you try a funnel? I don't think I have flexible funnels. No. No, I wish I had like a hand pump and just suck all the coolant out, but I don't think it works like that. Oh boy. This is not gonna be good. Why is there a what the fuck? I think that's Chris's. Okay, some gloves. Okay, okay, let's keep turning it and see what happens. Hopefully nothing catastrophic. That's gotta be a... Ooh, it's coming out the little hole. So I just need a tube that'll fit that little hole and then direct it down, which, man, that's a small drain. I don't know if this tubing will be big enough. And there's no tubing in here. Son of a... Oh boy. This is not good. Where'd all the frickin' tubing go? Did I just use it here? Let's see if this fits first. No, not even close. What a shitty design. Who designed that? Okay. These would have come in handy the other day. None of this is gonna work. I really just need to try and stick a funnel in there. I don't know how well that's gonna work. Oh, this is stupid. It might be smarter just to pull that hose off. That's really dumb. If I had a way to... This was supposed to be easy today. They just can't fucking make it easy, can I? Need like a piece of heater hose. That would work great. I thought I had some somewhere. I might have tossed it. Shit. Do I have any up here that would do? It's too big. Too small. Ooh. Ooh. I wonder. Maybe they actually meant for you to use this hose. Looks like the right size. Let's try it. Oh, shit! Motherfucker. What the fuck? Motherfucking piece of fucking shit. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding? No, I just washed the fucking car. You gotta be kidding me. Why was there coolant in there? Unbelievable. Where did it go? Ah, the coolant's fucking corrosive. Fuck. fast did it go? Ah, that makes me so fucking mad. Okay, let's try this. So we're gonna feed this down into the trash can, and then we're gonna put this over this guy. I can't fucking see anything. It's supposed to be easy. Yeah, look at that. I bet that's what that's designed for, is it's designed that you have to use the overflow hose to do that. Look at that. Okay, anyway, let's get her opened up. Hope the little yellow thing doesn't come flying out. There we go. What the fuck? Okay. Okay, as it drips coolant everywhere. And I'm gonna go through way too many of these towels. Very confused by why it's cover these holes so they don't I think my trash bag's giving out. Shit. Shit. No. Bad trash bag, bad. That can't be all the coolant in the car. I have to keep... There we go. Don't want this yellow plug to come out because that will not be pretty. Oh, it's coming out. Don't do that. Ah, my trash bag is not behaving. Shit. Please do not do that. I need to try and tie it off before it's too late. Ah. Shit. It's really not draining very fast. Come on. I have a feeling I'm still gonna have to pull. Okay, fuck it. Just let it drain overnight. Okay, guys. That's it. This is gonna be... Oh, there's gonna be a lot of cussing in this project. This is not gonna be fun.